So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication from 1st till the 6th of October 2024. Okay, and the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Okay. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, honey. Aquarius, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Four of Swords, the World card, the Five of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Devil. So it's like the devil energy is kind of in their mind space. They're obsessively thinking about how to trigger you in some way so that they can get some kind of reaction from your side. Because in the heart space also, they feel restless. Now this person is feeling like they can't heal the situation, they can't heal the connection. There's nothing left in the situation that they can do anything about. So it's better to create some kind of drama, some kind of conflict, some kind of issue, so that they can disturb your peace as well, the way they are not at peace right now. So basically right now this person is a little bit vengeful, revengeful. They are right now in this energy of, if I am not at peace, so Aquarius should not also be at peace at all, because I can't sleep at night thinking about whatever happened. So why can Aquarius sleep? They should also suffer. They should also go through the same kind of conflict and chaos and drama. The way I am going through, the way I am suffering, they should also suffer. So that kind of energy I am getting from this person's side, because they are not at peace themselves. They feel like you should not also be at peace at all. Doesn't make any sense to them, because they feel like you also should suffer like them. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? I don't see good intentions though. Let's see, but okay. We have the Nine of Swords, the Magician, and the Seven of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. So basically, in their mind space, they want to be independent. They want to work on themselves. They take care of money, job, career, their independence, and work on their own growth and expansion. But when it comes to this, like intention, heart-wise intention, they want you to go through the same kind of betrayal that you put them through. My goodness, Aquarius, what kind of person you are dealing with? It's not love when we are revengeful, when we are stressful, when we keep on blaming the other person. It's not love. True love is, even if this person is kind of on the verge of murdering us, we still care for them. Sounds crazy, but that is the meaning of true love. That is the definition of true love. Even if it is giving you the most painful energies of the world, you still love that person, you still care for their happiness. That's true love. Yeah, bubble broke. Anyways, this person is manifesting this energy of, you should also go through the same kind of pain, same kind of betrayal, same kind of karma that you put them through, because they can't just let you go so easily, because according to them you are living your life to the fullest, you are not suffering at all, and they can't see you like that. They can't see you happy. Okay, sorry, but this is what I'm getting, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm getting, because of the honest bitch I am. So even if it is hurtful, I'm sorry, honey. This is my job then, to hurt you and to make you come out of the bubbles of illusions and delusions. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this, by the 6th of October. I'm sorry, this end of this week. Yeah. So because they're so hurt right now, this person is definitely going to try to connect with somebody else to move forward in their life. You can say, I'm not going to say it's just a complete rebound, but it's kind of a rebound where they're trying to go with somebody, go in a totally different direction with a totally new person or a totally different person, because they want to move on from this feeling of feeling left out in the cold or feeling lost without you kind of energy. So I don't see this person trying to come back to you, but they're trying to show to you that they're completely fine. They have somebody by their side that they're having a very good connection with, then they're moving forward without you. They got their shit together. So I don't see this person coming towards you, but they definitely want to create some kind of havoc in your life so that you are going to suffer the way they were suffering or still are suffering. So this is what you call love, honey? My goodness. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Aquarius. We have the Ace of Swords. Still the air clear with this person and never ever look back. If it is possible for you guys to clear the air with each other in some way, please do that, because might be some kind of misunderstandings are happening, some kind of miscommunication is happening, and this person is creating scenarios in their mind that might not even be true, and they're trying to like send all the negative energies of the universe towards you. So it's better to clear the air with this person if it is possible. If not, still clear from the drama, the havoc, the conflict, the chaos that they are trying to send towards you, right? Stay away from this kind of energy and cut this person out of your life, out of your system. This is not love at all. This is something else. I'm sorry to say, but this person never loved you if this is what their energies are towards you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.